I'm here at Dr. Beckmann's Great Laundry Reset pop-up laundrette, helping households rethink the way they do their washing. I'm here to offer simple, smart tips on how people can do their laundry, making it easier, more convenient, and kinder to our wardrobes. Dr. Beckmann have done some research into the nation's laundry habits, and 1 in 5 Brits have admitted to leaving their bed sheets untouched for 2 months or more. And 1/4 of all gym goers have admitted to re-wearing their sweaty gym kit. Nearly 2/3 of people say that they've ruined their clothing due to the way they do their laundry. Either they leave the clothes in the washing machine too long, they mix their colours, or they use too much product. And doing the laundry doesn't need to be complicated either. With pre-dosed, mess-free, ultra lightweight sheets like these from Dr. Beckmann. These are their laundry detergent sheets and the fabric conditioner sheets. So easy to use, so simple to store, and they keep your clothes looking fresher for longer. What I love about these fabric conditioner sheets is the unique technology that stops a residue building up on fibres. So towels stay fluffy, they stay absorbent, and sportswear stays breathable.
The best thing about the reset is that you are condensing all your big bulky laundry liquids, tabs, all that kind of stuff into very simple, everyday, easy, applicable sheets.
Well, I mean, for years I've used the sheets, and so it's so good to see all the other ones. So I'm really looking forward to using all the other products with it now.
For me, I can't wait to use the new fabric conditioner sheets, given that they don't use a coating on the fabrics and that they may even extend the life of my washing machine by not clogging it up. So that's something. I've always been a loyal follower of Dr. Beckmann and use the sheets, and also the Glow White I think brings up my whites beautifully.
Dr. Beckmann have an amazing range of products that are going to completely transform the way you wash your clothes, and I couldn't recommend them enough.
Resetting your laundry routine isn't just about products, it's about thinking smarter. People are stuck in the same old cycles running on autopilot. The Great Laundry Reset is all about encouraging the nation to break out of those old habits and make an easy switch that really goes a long way.